Brad Williams, Excel Prime, dealing with list constants. Show all text before the delimiter. Well, we have 4 different delimiters. That's the beauty of including this arrangement into the text before. Exact same thing as the text after. If we incorporate, in this case, we used hyphens. We have a hyphen space, dealing with any spaces in between. If so, we can tackle that using this approach. Notice here, you're going to see, could be a space. There might not be a space. Not going to dwell too deep into it. But if there's a space, you can incorporate that in here. If there's a space incorporated here in Stevens CEO, there was a space hyphen in CEO, you can incorporate that here. You just put a space there. And I think there's a space right here. So if I take this example and I stretch this thing out and I look at Rebecca Stevens CEO, put an extra space there. Well, if I just put a hyphen anywhere, why don't we just go B Taylor, do this, and let's see what happens. You hit F9 until we see B Taylor. And what do we get? We got B Taylor. Notice our configuration here. It'll be tough to see the space in between the last name and HRM. And our output, we picked it up right here. Notice here we have this space and it picked it up. Amazing, yeah? Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Checking out.